The Taiwan Transportation Vehicle Manufacturers Association led a delegation of 16 automotive parts manufacturers to participate in the Automechanika Frankfurt. Showcasing the latest technologies and products, we will showcase a diverse range of automotive parts and technologies, including engine components, suspension systems, lighting, electric vehicle battery modules, transmission parts, and various driver system modules. Every part is a testament to our commitment to quality and innovation. Our technology is not only showcased in our products, but also through technical exchanges and international cooperation experiences at exhibitions. We look forward to collaborating with more global partners to drive the advancement of the global automotive industry.